deliciously fast, healthy snacks for your busy lifestyle. I'm so excited to be sharing some seriously delicious and healthy snack ideas with you today. We all know how crazy life can get, right? Between work, school, family, and trying to squeeze in some me time, healthy eating habits can sometimes take a back seat. But guess what? It doesn't have to be a struggle. That's why I'm here to show you that healthy snacking can be quick, easy, and totally delicious. We're talking about snacks that will fuel your body, satisfy your taste buds, and keep you going strong all day long. So if you're ready to ditch the processed junk and embrace a healthier lifestyle, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's kick things off with a classic combo: fresh fruit and nut butter. This pairing has been a favorite for generations, and for good reason. The natural sweetness of the fruit perfectly complements the rich, creamy texture of the nut butter, creating a snack that's both delicious and satisfying. It's a match made in snack heaven. Whether you're looking for a quick bite between meals or a nutritious option to fuel your day, this combination has got you covered. Think about it: juicy slices of apple dipped in creamy peanut butter. The crispness of the apple combined with the smoothness of the peanut butter creates a delightful contrast in textures that will leave your taste buds dancing. Or how about a handful of sweet berries paired with almond butter? The tartness of the berries balances out the nutty flavor of the almond butter, making it a refreshing and satisfying snack. And let's not forget banana slices with a sprinkle of sunflower seed butter. The natural sweetness of the banana combined with the slightly salty sunflower seed butter is a match made in heaven. The possibilities are endless. What I love most about this snack is its simplicity. You don't need any fancy equipment or ingredients, just a piece of fruit and a jar of your favorite nut butter, and you're good to go. You can literally grab and go. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door or for a quick pick-me-up during the day. Keep a jar of your favorite nut butter and a piece of fruit in your bag, and you've got a healthy snack at your fingertips no matter where you are. It's portable, convenient, and oh so delicious. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or on a hike, this snack is easy to take with you. No need to worry about refrigeration or preparation. Just grab, dip, and enjoy. Plus, it's packed with nutrients. This isn't just a tasty treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that will keep you energized and satisfied. Fruit provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining good health and keeping your body functioning at its best, while nut butter adds a healthy dose of protein and healthy fats. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, while healthy fats are important for brain health and energy. This combination will keep you feeling full and satisfied. The fiber in the fruit and the protein in the nut butter work together to keep hunger at bay, preventing those pesky energy crashes. No more reaching for sugary snacks that give you a quick boost but leave you feeling sluggish later. This snack provides sustained energy to keep you going. One quick tip: if you're watching your sugar intake, opt for lower sugar fruits like berries or green apples. These fruits are lower in natural sugars but still provide plenty of flavor and nutrition. And when choosing your nut butter, go for natural varieties without added sugar, salt, or oil. These options are healthier and allow the natural flavors of the nuts to shine through. There are so many different types of nut butters to choose from: almond butter, cashew butter, peanut butter, and even sunflower seed butter. Each one has its own unique flavor and nutritional profile, so you can mix and match to find your perfect pairing. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different combinations. You might discover a new favorite that you never would have thought of before. So next time you're looking for a healthy, delicious, and convenient snack, reach for some fresh fruit and nut butter. It's the perfect pairing that will keep you happy, healthy, and satisfied. Next up, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This versatile dairy product has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and for good reason. This creamy delight is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways, and it makes for an incredibly satisfying snack. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a midday pick-me-up, or a post-workout treat, Greek yogurt fits the bill perfectly. What sets Greek yogurt apart is its high protein content. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier texture and a higher concentration of protein. Protein is essential for keeping you feeling full and energized, making it the perfect pick-me-up between meals. It helps repair and build tissues, supports immune function, and is a key component of every cell in your body. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Calcium plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and hormonal secretion. And if you choose a plain variety, you'll be keeping your sugar intake in check. Many flavored yogurts contain added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. By opting for plain Greek yogurt, you can control the sweetness and add your own natural flavors. To take your Greek yogurt snack to the next level, try adding some natural sweetness and texture. A drizzle of honey can add a touch of sweetness without overwhelming the natural flavor of the yogurt. A handful of fresh berries can provide a burst of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making your snack even more nutritious. Or a sprinkle of granola will transform it into a flavor-packed treat. Granola adds a satisfying crunch and can be a great source of whole grains and healthy fats. And here's a pro tip: prepare your Greek yogurt parfaits in advance. This way you can have a delicious and nutritious snack ready to go whenever you need it. Layer yogurt, berries, and granola in a jar or container. You can also add other ingredients like nuts, seeds, or a dollop of nut butter for extra flavor and nutrition. And store them in the fridge for a quick and easy grab-and-go breakfast or snack. These parfaits are perfect for busy mornings or as a convenient snack to take to work or school. Enjoy the creamy, crunchy, and fruity goodness anytime, anywhere. Let's be honest, sometimes we crave a little crunch. And you know what? That's totally okay. Snacking doesn't have to be boring. That's where veggie sticks and hummus come in. This classic combination is a match made in snack heaven. It's crunchy, it's flavorful, and it's packed with nutrients. Carrots, celery, cucumbers, bell peppers, the options are endless. Slice them up into sticks, grab a container of your favorite hummus, and you're good to go. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are a great source of protein and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. And let's not forget about the veggies. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Pro tip: make your own hummus at home. It's surprisingly easy and much more affordable than store-bought varieties. Plus, you can customize the flavors to your liking. Rice cakes often get a bad rap for being bland and boring, but I'm here to tell you that they can be a delicious and versatile snack option. Think of rice cakes as a blank canvas for healthy toppings. Their neutral flavor won't overpower other ingredients, making them the perfect base for a variety of flavor combinations. One of my favorite ways to enjoy rice cakes is with avocado. Simply spread some mashed avocado on top and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's a simple yet satisfying snack that's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and flavor. But don't stop there. Get creative with your toppings. Try adding sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, everything bagel seasoning, or even a drizzle of hot sauce for an extra kick. Let's face it, mornings can be hectic. The alarm goes off, and before you know it, you're scrambling to get ready for the day. Sometimes, there's barely enough time to make coffee, let alone a healthy breakfast or snack. You might find yourself grabbing whatever is quickest, which often isn't the healthiest option. That's where smoothie packs come in to save the day. These little lifesavers are perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick, nutritious, and delicious. Smoothie packs are pre-portioned bags of frozen fruits, veggies, and other goodies that you can blend up into a delicious and nutritious smoothie in minutes. They take the guesswork out of making a healthy snack or breakfast. Simply toss the contents of a smoothie pack into your blender, add your favorite liquid, water, milk, yogurt, etc., and blend until smooth. It's that easy. No chopping, no measuring, just blend and go. The beauty of smoothie packs is that you can customize them to your liking. Whether you prefer a tropical blend with mango and pineapple or a green smoothie with kale and spinach, the possibilities are endless. Add in a handful of spinach for an extra boost of nutrients. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, and it blends seamlessly into any smoothie without altering the taste. A scoop of protein powder for a post-workout snack. Protein helps repair and build muscles, making it a great addition if you're looking to refuel after exercise. Or a tablespoon of chia seeds for added fiber. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Pro tip: prepare a batch of smoothie packs on the weekend and store them in the freezer for a quick and easy breakfast or snack option throughout the week. This way, you can ensure you always have a healthy option on hand, no matter how busy your mornings get. Label each pack with the ingredients and date to keep things organized. This not only saves time but also helps you keep track of what you have and when you made it. With smoothie packs, you can start your day on the right foot, feeling energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So, give this ultimate time-saving snack hack a try and see how it transforms your mornings. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these quick and healthy snack ideas helpful. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Which of these snacks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.